So, we're checking out a new series designed to make investing way clearer.
Its main promise? To be your shortcut for smarter, faster investment research.
It's all about getting quick, insightful breakdowns of the businesses shaping our world.
So what's actually inside? Let's take a look at what the series really covers.
It unpacks everything across 4 key areas, so you really get the complete picture.
First up, you'll discover the origins and major milestones of each business.
Next, it explores the specific offerings that really define the company in the market.
You'll also learn about the unique skills that give them a real competitive edge.
And finally, it breaks down the financials into what it actually means for your portfolio.
Okay, but who is this series really for? Let's find out.
Well, it's for beginners needing clarity and seasoned investors who want to be more efficient. And this really gets to the core philosophy that's driving the whole series.
The whole point is to empower you with the right information for your decisions.
It makes your research faster, easier to understand, and maybe even a little fun.
The idea is to cut through the noise and just bring clarity to your choices.
So that leaves just one question for you to think about.